Good morning, students. In the last session, we discussed about Biot-Savart's law. Today, we are going to discuss magnetic induction at the center of a current carrying circular coil using Biot-Savart law. By using Biot-Savart's law, we are going to calculate the magnetic induction at the center of a circular current carrying coil. That is our today's topic. So here I have taken a circular coil here. This is a circular coil, and O is the center of this circle, and the radius of the circle is capital R, and on the circumference of the circle I have taken a small elemental length dl, and the angle between this position vector and dl element is theta equals to 90 degrees here. So according to Biot-Savart, the produced magnetic field dB equals to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. So where r is the distance between the point and dl element. So this is according to Biot-Savart law. Now apply that Biot-Savart law here. Here what is the angle between dl element and position vector? 90 degrees. So substitute that 90 degrees here. Then you can get dB equals to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin 90 degrees by r square. Sin 90 equals to 1. So this can be written as dB equals to mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. So this is the produced magnetic field at the center of a circle of radius small r due to the elemental length dl. Only due to dl element length. Now just take the entire circle. So then what you have to do? Just you have to take the integral of this dl element. When you take the integral of this dl element, then you can get the entire circle. So due to the entire circle, the produced magnetic field at the center equals to mu naught by 4 pi I by r square integral dl. So this equation represents the produced magnetic field at the center of a circular coil due to only dl element length. If we want to calculate produced magnetic field at the center due to an entire circle, then we have to integrate this one, integral dl. So integral dl means what? This entire length. So what do we call this entire length? Circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle? What is the formula for circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. That means integral dl equals to what? 2 pi r. So that means dB equals to mu naught by 4 pi I by r square. So integral dl means 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So here r square will be cancelled, pi will be cancelled, 2 2s are. So remaining thing is dB equals to mu naught I by 2r. So this equation represents the produced magnetic field at the center due to a circle, due to a circular coil. Now if the coil consisting of n number of turns means, for example, if you take a thread, due to a single thread, if you form a circle, here the number of turns will become 1 because it is only due to one thread. Otherwise, take a group of threads, some 20 or 50 or 100, whatever it may be, then form a thread. So that thread consisting of 50 or 100 number of small threads, then form a circle. Then what happened? There is a circular coil consisting of number of turns. If you combine 50 small threads, then the number of turns in the coil is 50. So if the circular coil consisting of capital N number of turns, in that case the produced magnetic field at the center is dB equals to mu naught Ni by 2R. So this is the magnetic field at the center of a circular coil consisting of just one turn, only due to single thread. And this formula indicates the produced magnetic field at the center of a circular coil consisting of capital N number of turns. So this is our today's topic, magnetic induction at the center of a current carrying circular coil using Biot-Savart law. So here the statement is, let O be the center of a circular loop of radius R. So this is a circular loop of radius R, O is the center. Carrying current, so this loop carrying current I. From Biot-Savart law, magnetic induction dB at the center of a coil due to dl element on the loop make an angle theta equals to 90 degrees with R. So the angle between this dl element and position vector is theta equals to 90 degrees. Then according to Biot and Savart, this is the formula. Substitute theta value here. So this is the distance between the point and the dl element, or in this case by solving these things you can get this one. So due to only one coil, due to only one turn in the coil, and this is due to n number of turns in the coil. So this is our today's topic. Thank you.